Alright, this is our homemade potato cannon, and fixing to light it off. See what it does to the metal on our little target that we have right here. Got a target set up right here. We're going to see what it does. Alright. We're shooting just average, ordinary, store-bought potatoes. Buy them at Kroger's. Hefty little potatoes. We've noticed that this is the best stuff to use. Aquanet. Joey, you want to look for stuff like that, highly flammable, danger. All the good stuff that everybody likes.
Children have a freaking blow their heads off.
Just ruin the video.
Alright. Fixing to. What you do is basically you build it with the PVC pipe and you spray the hairspray down the chamber.
So I got the potato all the way back in there, that's all.
Yeah. Then you cap it up. Make sure it's tight. Alright, and here it goes. Alright. Dang. Downfall from a potato cannon. Totally destroyed it. Kind of see where it destroyed. It's a metal backboard. Trying to see where it bowed it all in. The whole board is totally toast now. Not used for anything else now but potato gun. But cost about $40 to build it. And
let me get this board, man.
Alright.